Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a physics test. Begin by revisiting your foundational knowledge. Focus on understanding the core principles and definitions. Don't just memorize formulas, truly grasp their derivations and the underlying physics. This deep understanding will serve as the bedrock for tackling more complex problems. Spend at least 25% of your study time on this initial step. Next, dive into extensive problem-solving practice. Work through numerous examples from your textbook, lecture notes, and previous tests. Try to solve each problem independently before checking the solution. This active recall strengthens your understanding and highlights areas needing more attention. Aim to complete at least 30 to 40 problems per major topic. After practicing, meticulously review your work. Analyze every incorrect answer to pinpoint conceptual misunderstandings or calculation errors. Revisit those specific topics and work through additional problems until you feel confident. Consider creating a concise summary sheet of challenging concepts and crucial formulas. This targeted review can improve your score by 10 to 15%. On test day, ensure you are well-rested and calm. Read every question thoroughly, underlining important data and identifying the specific task. Allocate your time wisely. For example, spend 2 minutes per 5-point question. If you get stuck, move on and return later. A clear mind and strategic approach can significantly boost your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.